Rush. Hey, you guys. So, when I was at the pop-up, of course, I am in a lot of people's personal space as well as they are in mine. So, I wanted a fragrance that wasn't too overbearing, but it smelled good to be in my space. So, I chose to wear Fruity Almond by Dossier. It is an inspired fragrance by Carolyn Herrera's Good Girl. They said it is joyful peach and almond with a rich floral bouquet of tuberose and orange blossom. The top notes for this one is almond and peach. The middle notes is orris, orange blossom, and tuberose. The base is tonka bean, vanilla, and cocoa. I got so many compliments on this, you guys. They absolutely loved it. And I do have the original Good Girl, but I don't know why I got so many compliments with Dossiers, but I'm not going to complain. They absolutely loved it, and I want you guys to check it out too. Do not forget about their Black Friday sale. All of the details on that will be in the description. Thank you.